Kani ka kynhun ki nong yala kai ka badon chispa sa fulai ngut lembat ki coach pat ki manager na ki khandai tili ki jingla kai ki bakin thop ya ka athletics, archery, boxing, karate, badminton, football, judo, taekwondo, bad wushu kilami ka janmi jong ka las ni ublai nagani ga nong ba haswa bakin mi nagani ga nong ba nagaleng ka tanat yala kai jong ka sarkar jilla kala penong ya ka jingilang nagabenta ban ai khublai kit bok kit ruang ya ki nong yala kai bakin yala kai ba hakate kelimpung nang makin yo ban khet yo so jong jing jom u director katanat yelekai uba fm dub ulaong ba kinong yelekai kilayo ban pun kre tangkumba atyo e namar ki babon na kinong yelekai kidang don hapdeng ki examen bu pher kumba kapau ha kelimpung yelekai north east games kabala long house nam arja khat ar ha manipur kajalla kalawan ha kadan ba satrai e na pedeng ki kinhun yelekai jong kathan chate lamingi laong ru ba kajinglet shim bynta kamde ban syukut tanga kedan ba hatrai ngri gidi benyele karbala nakabenta ban kentiu ya kajalla syak kedan ki ba kham sakman ulaya thu bana kaliang ka sarkar jilla kalap ha jing tho sya ka sarkar kmi na ka benta banyo bantelong ya kani ka lempung ha kani ka jilla house nam arja khasan kiwei pat ki bala ajing kran ki kinthop ya uji armarak deputy director kumjo uba ji ilingdo dso east castles ba p marbanyang dso ribhoi ba paya b war nongbri west castles bat kiwei
and this year, in spite of the decision that you have taken that you will be having an intensive 2 weeks coaching camp in preparation of the Northeast game. Yet, I know that in Meghalaya, due to the exam schedule, have been seriously enough to have the sport person, the athletes, to practice here, and also the others who have not come here for the stage to compete, like the karate. They have got their own coaching camp in their own office, in their own halls. But I was aware, I was brought to knowledge that the practice has gone on seriously. And I know, with all these practices that we have done, I think we will be prepared to meet the challenges, as my deputy director said, from the other states. And we wish you all the very best to exceed and to give your 101%. I know we may not have the best facility. I know we have done everything from the sports department to give you the basic logistics, the basic equipment, the basic opportunity to coach yourself through the help of the association. And as my deputy director said, we expect that this request from you to give it back by giving your very best. I know football came at the last moment, 1 week before the schedule, but I know since football has been going on in the state, they are still in the practicing mode, and I know that even if it's 1 week you had the practice, I know that you'll be the expected medals from you, as football is a strong point in the sport, and also with the new discipline that have been introduced, that is the karate. And I know that in the national level, even in the international level, our boys used to excel. And I hope this year, the karate, being your first time, you'll give your also very best. And I'm sure the other disciplines, like wushu, taekwondo, you have always brought us medals during the Northeast Games, and I know that this time also you'll be doing the same.